Hello everyone, this is Manipulator, today with this beautiful DOM Euro cylinder. I'll try to pick this. I have no idea what kind of DOM it is. It says Sigma here, so that's probably the model. It has 6 active elements and then there are these 2 pins which I suppose are passive and 3 on this side because they never came into play when I tried picking this the first time. This is my second attempt, so bear with me. I hope I'll manage to get it open in a decent amount of time. Otherwise, well, I'll cut here and this is the 10th time you'll see. But maybe I get lucky and we can do this first try. Alright, or first try after I got it open once. I'll start with the medium hook by Multipick, the PN31. It's in 0. Okay, got something out of 1. Nothing that would make it sit perfectly. Nothing on 2, 3. That's 4, but doesn't feel like anything special. 6 now. Little click. Another little click. Not sure if I'm done here. Another little click. Could that be a serrated pin? We'll see at the end. Alright, I didn't open this ever, so we'll find out together. 1 again, a little bit of something out of it. Nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5. That's the warding, don't worry. There's nothing else on 6. One more time. 1, springy, 2, nothing, 3, nothing really. 4 now. A little bit of movement. Nothing more. 5. Little click on 5 and I got a little bit of movement on the core. Nothing else here. Nothing on 1, 2, 3 is binding. A little bit. 4. Something weird about 4. Release a little bit of tension, give me a little click. Not sure if that's what I wanted. Back to the beginning. 1. Good click there. 4 change. Still nothing on 2 really. 3 came back up, sprung. 4 now, good click. Nothing on 3. 4 feels good. My German came through. Nothing on 5. Another click on 6, if I'm not mistaken, and there was 6. Nothing else on 6, 5. Nothing on 4. I think that was 2. Now 3. We're in a good fall set. Now 1 is binding. Good bit of counter rotation. I think I dropped something. Let me try 2 again. And we're open. Not great, but I guess I'll take it. All right, let us have a look inside. We'll probably go into fast forward. As you can see, this is completely open. And yeah, I'll try to work out if I can get this ring off. Let's see. I do have a key, so I'll lock it back up and get into the trouble of removing that C-clip. Hello everyone and welcome back. Let us try this one more time now that I have removed the C-clips, because it was a hustle to get inside and kind of didn't work after all. So hopefully I'll be more successful this time. I did pick it, but couldn't get it, especially not because I wanted to get it through the front. All right, let's see what it takes. We got nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Or 3, or 4, or 5. 6 now, binding. Little click on 6, nothing else. Let's go back to the front. I'm stuck behind 3, I think. Nothing major though. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4. Stuck on 5 now. Nothing there. 6 again. Another little click. Another couple of little clicks. So 6 might be serrated. Alright, one more time. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4. Little click on 5. Another little click on 6. Nothing on 1, 2, 3 is binding. Slightly, however. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4 now. Got something out of it. Okay, nothing on 1, 2, 3. Nope. 4. Nope. Good click on 5. Nothing on 6. Nothing on 1, 2. Tiny movement on 3. 4 seems to be binding now. Actually, 4 feels pretty good. So does 6 and 5. 4, 3. Another 2 clicks on 3. Another good click on 2. Another good click on 3. Those 2 seem to be tapered. I'm on 1 now. Counter rotation. And we're open. I think this time was a little better than the first try. I'll put the times up just in case. Okay, that won't work even if I wanted to. Right. Now let's have another look at this. We do have 2 spools, which I'm sure from the picking I'll figure out if they were in this order, because I'm not sure about these 2. If there was a spool in the first one or if there was a T-pin in the first one. These are really interesting. These are tight-lipped and can get stuck in the core if there would be any milling in there. It seems like there's a little bit of an undercut. Let's try this out. Can this get stuck in there? It did feel like it got stuck. Let's try this again. Alright, and I think the lip is only on... Well, it's more pronounced on this side, so... I'll just flip this over. Give this another try. You kind of feel it, but it's not very pronounced. If there were threading in here, would definitely be more pronounced. You feel it when you get into the false set, it catches kind of, but it's not like you would expect from an S or something like that. All right. Is there anything special about this? I think not. As I said, there are some key control pins. I will have to ensure that I get them all in the right position. When you put in a key and the pins aren't in the right place, then these things will shoot out. And this thing seems to be in the right position. Let me put in another one. Come on. Oh no, that's the right position. So as you can see, if it's in the correct position, and I think I turned these upside down, but if it's not in the correct position, it will protrude outside of the core and this key wouldn't be working. You can see in the housing, let me get the lock out, we have these key control grooves here and here. So if those pins were protruding, the lock wouldn't be functional. All right, there are some really nice pins in this. Let's have a closer look at those. We have some torpedoes, always nice to see. And I did fall into the false set or overset trap a few times. And there are standards with a little bit of a tapered end. I don't know if that makes any sense. But otherwise they're completely normal. And we have 2 kinds of security pins. These sharp-lipped barrels and spools that are also a little tapered. You have to be very careful when setting them to not overset them. Yeah, that's all from Manipulator for today with this DOM Sigma. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one. Manipulator says bye bye.